Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at around $1834. Okay, and I have already explained you that it is trying to form a swing at this particular level, a level of around $1808. Keep this in mind. This is the level. If the price comes close to this level, we can see it can fall further low because this level is already a weak support. Okay, and previously if you look at this particular chart, after pandemic there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, and there is a pattern forming. Okay, and this pattern is from 2020 to 2022. Okay, and this is the level where it is being tested twice. Okay, 2069 level is already a weak resistance, so chances will be high if the price comes close to this level, we can see it can move further upside. After that there is a continuous downfall, and one again an important thing, 1613 is also a weak support, so chances are high if the price comes close to this level, we can see it can fall further down. Okay, a swing is forming at this level, so after that there is a continuous upside. Before we move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubt regarding gold or any other commodity, stock, forex, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. There is a continuous upside after making this particular range bound market. Okay, and after making half around $150-$60, $1960, there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Okay, and this downfall you can see from 4 continuous weeks. Okay, but this particular week we have seen it is trying to go upside, now trading at around $1834.67. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are high yes it can sustain, and a probability is high that if this level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1842. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above this particular level, 1842 is already a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can cross this particular zone and can touch a level of around $1845. Suppose if the price sustain of this particular zone, it can cross this particular zone and can touch a level of around $1855, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $1869. Keep this in mind. Once the price sustain above 1855, chances will be very high because a cup pattern will form, and then we can see it can go towards a level of around $1866 to a level of, after 1866 to a level of 1869, and then further upside towards a level of 1879. Okay, because this 1879 is again a weak resistance, so chances of going further upside is there. Then we can see it can cross this particular zone and can touch a level of 1881 to a level of $1891. Okay, and once the price sustain of this level, chances of going further upside is there, and then we can see it can move further high. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous downtrend. Till the time it is not breaking this particular trend, we will not say it can make a much upside movement. Okay, so or it can move in this particular zone till the time it is not crossing this particular level. Suppose if the price after hitting a resistance come down again to its support of around 1830, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of around 1823. Once the price started falling below that particular support, then we can see it can go towards a level of around 1816, which is already a weak support, so chances are very high it can go towards a level of around 1799 after crossing a level of 1804. Keep this in mind because this is already being tested here and a weak support, so chances are very high it can go and can touch a level of around 1816 to a level of 1799. From there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $1786, and once it fall below this particular level, below that level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of around 1775 to a level of around 1765. So keep this in mind. Once the price fall below a level of 1800, then chances of touching 1799 is there, and from there we can see a level of 1784. Okay, so because it will come in this particular zone once the price fall below, because this level we have not seen since December of 2022, so chances can be high if the price fall below level of 1800, then we can see it can come down towards a level of 1772, crossing a level of 1780, and from there we can see a level of 1745 also after crossing level of 1776. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Now understand something. If you are trading, why most of the traders lose money? What I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1000 to 1500. Okay, a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum risk you can take is $500. Okay, this $500 you will not be in a pressure to recover it, but if you lose 5,000 you will be in a pressure. What people do is they lose so much money and they try to recover it, and in that process they lose their full capital. Okay, so I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,